Okay, so if we want to add a JSON element, again, it's pretty easy to do, but there are a few caveats that I want to show you just to make sure that you're aware of what it is you're doing and what piece of the data you're affecting. So let's take a look at the code. So here we are with our trusty phone book application. And let's say we want to add something. What should we add? Let's start out by adding an email address. That seems like a reasonable thing. So in our phone book, we want to add email. So let's do that. How easy is that? Well, it's pretty easy. If we're going to add to the main branch of the code here, we're going to say JS phone again. And then I'm just going to give it the new key that I want. So I'm going to add email. And the email is joe.mama@gmail.com. Okay, does that work? Is it really that easy? Yes, if I save it, you can see here that that new key shows up, no problem. Okay, so that is how easy it is to add something like a new field to the main part of the code. Now, obviously, if I wanted to add a cell phone number down here, then I would need to say something like jsphone.phone.cell equals 333, and you can see here that that gets added in the right place. Now I'm just maintaining that hierarchy using that dot notation, and it works just fine. There's one more thing here. If I wanted to add a pet, okay, this is a little bit different because I have an array already here. And remember, our array is indexed. And so if I want to add something to an array, it would be appropriate for me to use push to add something to the end of the array. So what I would do there is jsphone.pets.push, and then the element that I want to push onto that array would be Guppy the goldfish, and save that, and you can see Guppy gets added to that array. So those are the different ways, different methods, different ideas about adding things to a JSON object.